What's up, guys? It's me, Freddy, and today I am playing with my sister in crafting and building.
Hello.
Here she is. She's
Hello,
right there.
People.
And I hope you enjoyed this video and please subscribe.
Human
And let's
beings.
get into this. Alright, so let me switch to the first person.
And today I'll be showing you my world, and I'll show you most of the stuff. So first of all, number one.
What number one is?
Number one is the cobblestone, or should I say stubble cone?
No, it's cobblestone.
Cobblestone generator.
Guys, just my sister always like to say cobblestone, not
stubble cone.
Stubble cone, not cobblestone.
Stubble
She always
cone.
calls that.
So this is a stubble cone generator for survival. You basically just collect stubble cone. Look, I mean cobblestone. Sorry.
Yeah.
You just like mine
I can
it,
see
and then
some
it comes
lava.
back. Yeah, there's lava to make the stubble cone. Never mind about me. Just cobblestone stubble cone. Next is my flower garden.
Flower garden.
It took me ages to build it. There we go. Pick any row wherever you want to go.
Okay.
Look, so it's like really cool.
Yeah.
Look, fly up. So I've got sunflowers, tulips, these kind of purple things. I forgot what they're called. Roses, lily pad. No, not lily pads. Lilac thing. Yeah, it's a thing. I mean, plant.
Yeah.
Here is my water fountain. Very simple. And my favorites. Wait, after this. So these are my two beautiful horses. Where are you?
Wait, let me teleport to you. Oh, I already see you, so I don't see.
Come on, just follow
There.
me. So these are my horses. They're very pretty. I got the very pretty ginger and white one, and there's just a ginger one with blonde mane. And there's my beautiful panda. I want to show you something. You might have thought, oh my gosh, what is it doing?
Why is she? Wait, I mean the panda. Why is the panda's head's gone like that? Isn't it just weird? Okay.
It's cute. Look, Freddy, don't go in. Don't go in yet. I want to show you. You might think that pandas eat bamboo, like
Oh yeah, Sophia. And also, can you do?
Yeah. Look, I want to show you this. Panda, look at me. I said, look at me. There we go, good one. They can eat actually cake.
Oh yeah, this is what I want to show. Eating a cake.
Yeah, they normally eat bamboos, but they actually eat cake.
Well, where am I going?
Freddy.
Here.
Look. Wait, eat. There we go.
That's.
Yeah, it's cute, right? So basically, pandas eat cake, which is awesome. Once I made a cake and it stole it from me, I wanted to give it to someone, and he took.
I've never seen pandas eat cake. I've never seen that.
I just found out. All right, ready? And next. It's the farm. I just don't really care if I'm walking off the path. This is the farm. So I got melons, potato, wheat, carrots, beetroot, potato, beetroot, and wheat. I mean pumpkins. There we go. These are my beautiful fat cows. My annoying sheep. And whatever they're doing, I don't know. And these three noisy pigs. These are my farm animals. The panda's still eating the cake, as you can see from a far distance.
What is this?
Oh, follow. It's my little sugar cane and cactus area.
Okay.
As you can see. Yeah?
Yeah.
And there's a pig just running around. Get out, my intro. Get out.
Whoa. Oh my god.
Get out.
Piggy.
Get out. Wait. I need that pig actually.
You need it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait a minute.
After this exploring around this world, I think I'm probably gonna build my own house, but in a different place. Well, a bit far away from your house.
Because these is what I will.
Sophia, do you remember when I built a rocket next to Stampy's lovely world? Do you remember?
Oh yeah. Look at me. I'm gonna ride my beautiful piggy, and look. Boost.
Oh yeah, well I know you can boost it. I know you can do that.
Boost.
Burst. Imagine if there's another player joined, then well, that's Cool Galaxy Code, which is another friend, and he gets trolled on. Like, then he gets trolling me and Sophia.
Because he burned my whole house. He burned my forest, and he killed my dog. My dog was in the forest, and he.
Oh my god! Okay, I just say that. Nothing. I just say that's my stuff. Okay, guys. So basically, I'm just gonna start to build my house.
Let me show you where you can build.
I'll decide what.
No, here. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
In front of my world.
Okay, so I need to get some blocks that I needed.
Yeah. I'll just be doing my
I'm probably
stuff,
gonna get.
The panda's still eating the cake.
I get this blue block. A glass.
Oh, my cactuses are growing.
I'm gonna get a bed.
Yeah, my cactuses are growing. Finally.
A few of these. That. And we'll be in chest. What
kind of house are you gonna be building?
I will see. What is this?
And guys, for the next episode, we thought, what if we do building time?
Building time?
Yes.
After building time, should we do trolling?
Maybe. So we're planning to do 2 videos after this one, and it's gonna be. First of all, it's going to be
building time, which is a Starring People vs. Squid, but we're going to be me and
time.
You're trolling.
Yes, my favorite.
Where is the block that I want to get? Where is it?
What does it look like?
Oh my god.
No, it's raining.
Oh yeah, here it is. But it kind of looks different than the normal Minecraft texture pack.
Building time, you know that.
Just it looks different because I got crafting and building, which is free Minecraft. Okay, let's get this CD.
Yeah.
That.
Oh, I got my own. I got my.
Right. Let's get this blue carpet. Okay,
blue
and now we. Oh yeah, one thing. We need a torch.
Of course you need some. Freddy, do you like my lamps? Look, wait.
Hang on, wait. Okay, we're ready. Oh, hey.
Do you like my lamps? I teleported ya.
Yeah.
You can use these kind of things.
Yeah.
Do you like it? It's like these mini lamps.
Yeah. Wait, where is the one that have been started? Here.
Oh, by the way, guys, I wanted to say.
I need to set spawn. So when I join this game, I spawned.
I'd like you to say in the comments. Do you like my new Galaxy Girl outfit? I created it by myself on Skin Editor. If you'd like to create your own skin, then just download Skin Editor. It's totally free, and then you can just create your own skin and use it on Minecraft, which is awesome. Okay, I created many. Nearly my whole gallery space is covered in those skins.
Okay. By the way, when I...
Freddy, did you just change set spawn world?
Well, yeah, because when I joined...
You changed it for me too.
For you?
Yes, you changed it for me too.
Where?
Why?
Wait, how?
You just did.
I thought you said... You said spawn for me.
Yeah, because you done it to me. This is my world.
So you gave me a revenge.
Uh-huh. Yes, I did. Because if I die in survival, I'm gonna spawn in your house, not in my house.
Oh, sorry.
So I changed it back. I really like my. Well, what I found out about these cobblestone things. They basically, if you do it so many times, if you take all the.
Sophia, do you like my house building?
Yes. Can you stop teleporting?
Okay.
Goodbye. So basically. If you take most of the cobblestone, soon you might get diamond or iron ore or redstone, which is awesome, or gold ingots.
By the way, command block is really sick to use in Minecraft. It's so cool because you can do any fun stuff.
My world, please.
Alright, so can you do any more?
Boom, boom, boom,
hey.
Boom, 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 boom.
What are you doing here?
Just dancing.
Okay, Sophia.
Hi.
Hey. Don't spawn a panda in my house.
Oh, don't kill it.
Why need a panda in my house?
So it's adorable. I can't stand
Take it.
Fine. Come with me, little panda.
I don't need a panda in my
Go away
house.
from that meanie. I don't understand why you hate you, but you're adorable, aren't you? Here you go, have some beautiful bamboo. It's eating. Wow, it's so pretty. Never mind. My pig is still wandering around.
Dude.
Still, yes, still pretty, still wandering around. And it's going in my water fountain. I need to take him somewhere. Take him back to my farm so he stops wandering around.
Yes, if you remember, like when in the game when I got trolled,
Yeah.
I used on some creepers.
Oh yeah. Well, don't tell the audience yet. It's gonna be a surprise for the creators.
Who's eating like that?
It's my panda.
Uncle Bill eating. I can hear it.
Yeah, it's loud. See, look. He's.
Hey, why are you feeding a panda near my
I'm
house?
feed him right now.
He's eating.
He's not even eating in your house.
Yeah, but he was near my house.
No,
Why?
I don't pandas are near your house.
Okay.
Such a meanie. Okay.
Okay, gonna have some animals. I just need to check if I'm building it correctly.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, I'm building it correctly.
Oh, hello, sheep.
No, why am I getting animals in my house?
Don't do that. Do not do that.
I'm getting animals in my house.
But I didn't. You just came in and jumped over the block. Excuse me, how dare you blame it on me? Revenge.
What revenge?
Never mind. I
Hey!
told you revenge.
Okay, this is you will go to get them. You'll get it.
Hi, Freddy. I see you.
Hey, why are you following my steps?
Hi.
What did you do?
I just teleported you to your house. Didn't do anything bad, did I?
Don't know. I
Don't
following my
know.
steps. What are you doing?
Doing something.
You're teleporting me. Why are you teleporting? Are you trolling on me?
No.
Are you trolling?
Trolling is when you.
What are you doing?
Trolling is when you can't see what people are doing.
Why are you teleporting me
This is
then?
not trolling.
What are you doing? Why are you teleporting to me or me teleporting to you? Why are you doing this for? What are you doing? Why are you teleporting? Oh God, why did you do that? Sophia, why are you teleporting to me? What are you doing? Are you crazy?
Maybe.
Yeah. You're teleporting to me.
Okay, I'll stop. You don't do it to me and I won't do it to you. Got it?
I can't get it, but
You told me not to teleport me.
I think you're gonna give one more time, but then no more, right?
Okay, just one more time. One more time, that's it.
Hey, no, I'm gonna do it to you.
Yeah, but you said one more time, you can't
No, one
you
more.
can't do it anymore.
Okay, fine.
Are you gonna do it?
You're gonna do. Hey, why teleport? I was trying to build my house.
Okay, sorry. You are no way gonna teleport me, are you?
Don't know. Sophia, I didn't even teleport you to it.
Okay.
Are you trolling on me?
Trolling is when you can't see what people are doing.
I know,
You don't know
but
they're doing
you're
it.
always making me teleport to you. Okay, you're gonna give a revenge.
Ooh, a chicken just gave me a note. Nice.
Oh my God. No! Stop teleporting me to you. Stop.
Okay, I'm not doing it.
Oh my God.
Not doing it. Stop.
Is it going?
Stop it. You said you're not gonna do it.
But this is what you get.
You already done it once.
What? You were invisible.
No,
I saw the bubbles.
No, I'm not invisible. Stop teleporting me, got it?
Okay, but
I'm not gonna teleport you.
I was teleporting you to me because you teleported me to you.
I'm just gonna do a few things.
Hey! Why did you put me on survival? Excuse me. Are you gonna troll me? My
It
God.
was an accident, sorry, let me just put it back. It was an accident.
Why did you do that for? Are you gonna spawn creepers? Are you trolling them? What? Are you gonna shoot me?
No.
Hey yo! What are you doing? You trolling on me, you trolling! Oh no guys, my sister is trolling on me. What am I gonna do? I think we need to have a plan. What we're gonna do, she's just trolling on me. Right, so we need to plan some things and then for revenge I'm gonna troll Sophia. Guys, I'm gonna troll Sophia if she's trolling me.
Yeah, I got you! You're
Stop.
Poison.
Why did he give me this? Oh man. Wait. No. You trolled me. How dare you? I lost my star because of all of you. I got a troll on you then. If you would say that. What? Did I die?
No. Okay, don't do it to me. Okay, I'm not doing it to you. I'm putting you in creative.
Sophia, but someone there, are you?
Sorry.
Hey!
Whoops.
My God.
Boom.
I don't know what to do. Right, I think
Go
I
to
know.
your house.
I know what to do.
I hear you. You want to troll me back.
Wait. I have a plan for this. I have a plan.
I know you want to troll me. Freddy, seriously. I should have been doing this.
Because you trolled me, so I'm gonna troll you back for revenge.
Okay.
Alright. Well, we can do this. Yeah. Hey! What are you doing? Stop teleporting me.
Why are you still on creative?
Because.
But I put you on cycle. How?
Don't teleport me, please.
How are you still on... What?
Hey, stop teleporting me.
You're not supposed to be on... How?
Fine.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, just gonna... Let's just... No.
You know what?
I have a good plan for that.
You on creative?
No, I'm on survival.
Oh, okay.
Hey, I got killed.
Thank you for the diamond sword.
Hey! Sophia, I think you're trolling me. Sophia, why are you trolling me on the
This
field?
is not a troll.
Why you killing me by spawning creepers?
No, but trolls is when you can't see what a person is doing. You can
I'm not bored enough. I want to build my house.
What?
I want to build my house anyway, right?
No!
I want to build my house. Can you understand what I'm saying?
Nope.
By the way, I see my stuff. Let's click them now.
What are you doing underwater?
Getting my stuff that I lost.
Oh well.
If you know what, then I know what I'll do to you.
What? You're putting me on survival?
You'll all see in a minute.
You're not doing this, are you? Freddy, I've got something really cool we can do right now. What? No, you did not. Okay. I'm out.
Hey, haha.
I know I'm in a cave. Ooh, we've got some coal. Nice.
Are you mining? Hey! How dare you?
I'm having some fun in a cave.
I have a good plan.
Seriously, again.
That's not me.
Okay, I'm out.
You're leaving?
Freddy, there's something in your house I saw.
What
I think
did you
just figured it
store?
out. No, literally stop.
That's not me.
It is. It says
Can you see
Double
me?
C teleported Galaxy Girl to Double C.
Okay, no, but can you see me though?
No, Freddy, you need to go and check something.
I
in
checked
the
something more. Okay. Do you just
house. What?
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 Wait. I know what you're doing, but please stop this now. Otherwise you will sleep with one eye open tonight. What the hell are you said? Are you gonna put me on survival? I'm not dead. Excuse me, don't say that. I was gonna troll you for revenge.
You're invisible, just a flying block.
Cause you see me. Wait. Hey!
What?
Nothing. Okay. Wait, I will be back in a moment. Right. Hopefully my house will be looking epic.
There's something next to your house.
Something. Wait. What? Hey, I got disconnected.
Sorry, 1 minute.
Oh my god, what was that for? I'm gonna pause it for the moment. Okay, guys, just a thing. Why am I left the game? Because
There was a crash in the game.
it's not a crash, just Sophia's. No, just the game on Sophia's tablet is when sort of crafting a building. So
We're back in the game.
yeah, we're back.
I'm on survival right now.
I think I can.
Don't kill me.
I'm not gonna kill you.
I'm doing my farming stuff. If you kill me, you're dead. I'm just replanting all my stuff.
Okay.
I am creative.
Yeah.
Nice to know.
I can have a plan here.
What plan? Are you trying to kill me?
No,
Are you trying to destroy my world?
I'm not destroying you well at all. I'm not even putting TNT
Then
blocks.
what plan?
You will see in a minute.
I can hear everything, you know. And there was a chest outside your house you missed. Freddy, there was a chest you missed outside your house.
Chest.
Oh no.
Right. Quickly.
Freddy, I'm on survival!
This is for revenge.
Someone's killing me! He said you're not gonna kill me!
Is
It's a skeleton!
This is for the revenge that you did
What?
spawning in creepers for last time.
I didn't... Freddy, my carrots, everything! You promised me you're not gonna do it. You ruined the promise.
Well, because you're spawning creepers, so I've done the same thing to you.
Promise.
Let me pause that.
Okay, guys, we're back.
Yeah, we're back on now.
Just had to pause for a little minute again. Right. Just collecting my stuff. I'm nearly finished. My pumpkins and my beetroot still doesn't seem to be grown. Still not grown again. Sad.
Oh, it's raining. Oh, I can set this to clear.
No.
I can do that.
No, it's not. It's my world. Okay, I replanted everything. I actually want to try and live like this. Boom.
Okay,
Boom.
right. Now, hey, did you just teleport me? Why did you teleport me? What did you do that for? What did you do that for?
Teleport back to me and you'll be at home.
Are you following my username?
What are you doing?
I'm gonna teleport you to home. Hey! Why did you teleport? What are you doing? You teleported to me.
What the?
I know. Why are you teleporting me? Get back to home. Oh, teleporting me!
Shush.
Why are you teleporting me?
Just doing that. Just I don't
Hey.
know. What?
I'm stuck.
And there's a cow stuck with me.
I can't move.
Oh dear.
Did you just place an invisible block?
Maybe.
Because it doesn't work on me. What did you do? Did you just do something else I can't... Hey! What is even the problem that... Sophia, what did you do? Why can't I get through? What did you do that I can't get to that world? Because I can't. Sophia, what did you do? I can't get back to my house. What have you done? Sophia, let me get to my house, please. I can't get into my house, Sophia, please. What did you do that for? Oh my god. Man. What have you done? Now because of you, I can't get back to my house. Naughty. Naughty. Hey!
There we go.
Why are
Your
you...
house.
Is that my...
You said you needed help, so I helped you.
Yeah. I think I know what I'm gonna do.
There we go. It's actually cookies. The panda can eat cookies. I shouldn't really do that. Have some cake, little panda. Off you go. Oh my gosh, Freddy! You have to see this. Freddy, no!
This is what you get.
No!
Because you done it to me.
No! You left my panda! I was supposed to show you something! No, it's gonna stop now!
I can get you back.
No, look, Freddy, look! Look! Oh my gosh, look how it's eating. His head is upside down. Oh my gosh. Freddy, stop!
I return back to your panda.
No, I didn't. You didn't have to do it. I was there.
Okay.
Look how he's eating. His head. You need to film this now. Look. Look at how he's eating. Look at his head.
Oh,
Look at
oh my
his
god.
head.
Why is he eating like that? What? I just got... I gotta get him cake back.
Give him his cake
There you go.
back.
I got him cake.
His cake. Is he eating? He's upset now. Look, he's very upset.
I gave him a cake
Yeah,
back.
but you upset him.
I didn't mean to get it. Alright, so I gotta finish my house. I'm going to get rid of these plants in here.
Get rid of plants? No.
In my house.
No.
Because I need to... Okay, let's put some torches in here. I just need to destroy this bit. Whoops, not that one. I mean the floor bit. Destroy the grass for the floor needs to do that.
Freddy, I
yeah.
have a surprise for you on your roof.
What is it? Let me teleport to you.
No,
oh,
don't
actually,
teleport to me.
no.
I'm not there.
Are you some on my roof?
Stop teleporting.
Wait, are you?
I'm not on your roof.
What? Why did you build that?
I don't know.
What?
Freddy, no, stop teleporting. It's annoying.
I thought you were somewhere up in my house.
No, it's annoying. Stop it. Can you stop teleporting to me? It's very annoying.
What is here?
What here?
What is taking me up?
Somewhere.
What is this? Seriously?
You need to delete it.
What is this for?
That's decoration.
Seriously gonna put me in survival if I fall?
I can't put you in survival. It's not letting me.
Let me in survival, not you.
It's not fair. I can't put you in survival. You
Huh?
can put me in survival, but I can't put you.
I'm going to delete these blocks that you done here on my house. What?
Nothing.
Not funny.
Oh no, lava! Lava! Whew. There was
Okay.
lava coming out of my stone thing. Stone thing.
What is the chest doing here? What? I saw a chest.
Oh, finally found it! I told you about it ages
I
ago.
am serious. You're gonna sleep with one eye tonight. Why?
You didn't even see how what the book is called.
It's called. Mwahaha.
There we go. I improved my dispenser. It's funny.
Funny.
It's
Going to
funny.
remove the blocks. Blocks. Okay, let's remove some
Oh, no,
ones because
lava.
there's no needed. Why are you getting lava? here?
It's because I'm trying to make my stubble cone.
It's cobblestone.
Cobblestone generator all into diamonds to make it look not grey but like colourful because I don't like having grey stuff. And tell me in the comments below if you like my beautiful skin. It's much better than Freddy's, by the way. So I hope you like it.
Yeah. Guys, make sure to smash that like button.
Even if you don't like it, still smash it! Smash it, wait, Freddy, who's
Yeah.
gonna fix it if they're gonna smash it?
No, I'm just saying smash it if you just press the like, okay?
Okay. Now who's gonna fix it?
Why do you think you will break that?
Well, you said smash it!
No, it doesn't mean to break it.
But smash is break!
I'm just saying like others, right?
No, not right, left. Left, not
I
right.
hear you spawning too many with sheep.
Oh no, it's in my house. I'm just making a little farm.
Oh.
What?
What are you doing in my
I'm
house?
not. Look, I'm in my house.
Let me see what will happen.
Did you like collecting and breaking the wood? The wool? Was it fun?
I deleted it because I don't need that.
Yeah.
Let me... What? Hey!
Shit.
Why did it spawn? Shane? Why did you spawn? Hey, why did you spawn too many sheep in my house? Why did you spawn them? How dare you?
Do you like the beautiful singing of the sheep?
No.
It is beautiful to me. Maybe not to you, but beautiful to me. No. It's a little bit in a sheepy situation here, Freddy. Yeah, you're really in a sheepy situation. How dare you spawn in my sheep?
I sent it to you because I don't want sheep. We're gonna kill them. I killing these sheep because I don't need them in my house.
No!
And why did you spawn them anyway? Hate that. No more spawning shit in my house. Unless I'll spawn too many mobs in your
No,
house.
please don't. I don't even have a house.
Yay! Oh, I thought I was playing survival.
No.
Super.
Super califragilisticexpialidocious.
What the?
It's a thing from Mary Poppins episode.
Oh God, why did you send this to me?
Because I want to. Ugh.
I'm getting points as a killing now.
Sheepy. Oh my gosh, my earbuds like you.
Was it because there's too many sheep?
Yes, I need to go. Oh my gosh, I need to go somewhere away from those sheep. Oh my gosh, too much.
Oh my God, it's getting pretty annoying if I have too many sheep in my house.
Okay,
It's getting so annoying.
so annoying.
I want to get rid of them.
Yes. Get rid of me.
What?
What?
My God, who's what the? Hang on. What is happening? Oh no, I've got so many sheeps.
Wahahaha.
Oh no. Oh no.
You got hit by the sheep bandito.
I don't like it.
So
Well, if you like it, I need to redo my house. Because here, there's so many sheep spawning.
Oh dear. Tell me.
Hate that.
It's sheep paradise. Sheep.
No,
Sheep.
I hate it. I don't like that.
Of course you hate it. I'm just gonna go mining.
Okay. Oh my God, this. Oh my. There's quite a lot. Oh no. My house is in trouble. No way. No good. Oh no, my house. Instead of house, it's a sheep house.
Yeah, it's a sheep house.
No, that's my house. Stop changing. Oh no.
Yay, you made freedom.
Fine. I'm gonna go and build my house in a different place because there are too many sheeps. I go and build my house in a different place because there are too many of these sheeps.
You know what to do when there's too many sheep? Let me help you with that.
Oh, I can't deal with this. I couldn't deal with it.
I can deal with it. Don't worry, I'll save your
I
house.
think
I'll save your house, Freddy.
I'll do it in a
I'm a
different
good
place.
sister. I'll save your house.
Oh no.
Don't worry, I'll save your house, Freddy.
I feel like I need to blow up with the TNT
No,
to get
Freddy,
rid of the
don't ruin
sheeps.
my beautiful sight. Don't do it. This is my world.
No, but
No, please don't do it, Freddy.
okay.
Otherwise, you're gonna ruin my world.
Oh no, my house is full of sheep.
Yes, it is.
Are you killing them?
Yeah. Do you want one?
No, thanks.
No, Freddy, take it.
I don't want a
You
sheep.
no, this.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Sorry.
Look, just one hit and we're done.
Yeah, no.
Ah, this is like sheep handling time. There we go. We'll clear this all up. We'll just do this. Sheep paradise. Oh my gosh, there's actually oh my. Oh my goodness. How am I supposed to get rid of all these? Cool panda, listening to all those sheep. Okay, maybe I was wrong. Maybe sheep is bad. Sheep bad. Bad sheep. Bad sheep. Bad sheep. Bad sheep. More bad sheep.
Mm.
Oh, look. Oops, I killed a piggy. Oh dear. Sorry, piglets. I mean, piggy.
Oh my god.
You know, pigs.
There's so many sheep.
Did you kill them in your house?
Yeah.
All of them? Help me deal with these guys. There's so many meat just laying around. Oh no. Oh, come on. Get out of here, sheep.
Oh, so many sheep. Get out, please.
Oh no. Okay, I'm sorry, Freddy.
What did you?
Oh no. I see. Okay. I'll just kill it. Oh yeah? I just realized a pig has more hearts than a sheep. Whoa. I hit a pig and it did
I
not
got a
die
load
straight
of
away.
points.
Points? What are you talking about?
Points from killing.
5 points. Those are not points. They're just little tiny gold things.
They are points
How do you know?
because they're called points when you kill anyone.
Oh my gosh. Fred, I'll have to collect all of this. Okay, I can't hear any more sheep. Can you see? Oh, I see more. I see. Sheep.
I've got quite a lot of stuff to collect for me.
Yep,
Which is
you'll collect
I'm
it.
kind of getting annoying.
Okay, all the sheep dead. Oh wait, not all. Seriously, not all. Oh my gosh! How did this happen?
Hey!
Pancakes!
Oh my god, I had enough of this.
Pancakes! Chips! Patio! Wait, what? I mean Mario. Patio. Patio. Whoops. Trying to think of something. I forgot. Sheepy murderers! Ah! Ugh, die sheep.
Oh.
Ugh, no.
Over. I can finally finish off my
One
house.
more sheep. Boom. Oh wait, no. More sheepies. Okay, I think that's it.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Wait, one
Okay, yeah, what?
Say in the comments if you like my new skin. I'll just do a little bit of spinny rounds.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like, and I will be doing some more Minecraft and Roblox video. So, okay, bye.
Bye, people.